In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Microsoft Sway to PDF. Microsoft Sway is designed as an interactive, web-based presentation tool, which means it doesn't have a direct export to PDF button like some other Microsoft apps. However, you can still convert your Sway into a PDF by using a simple and effective workaround that captures your content in a printable format. To begin, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Sway, then sign in to your account. Once you're inside, open the Sway presentation you want to convert. Make sure everything is finalized, including your text, images, and layout, since the PDF will reflect exactly what you see during the preview. Next, click on the play button to open your Sway in full preview mode. This step is important because it displays your presentation the same way your audience would see it, ensuring a cleaner and more accurate result when converting to PDF. Once your Sway is in preview mode, open your Browser's Print option. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+P on your keyboard or by accessing the Print feature from your browser menu. When the print window appears, look for the destination or printer selection. From the list of available printers, choose the option labeled Save as PDF. This is a built-in feature in most modern browsers that allows you to convert web content into a PDF file. After selecting it, adjust any settings if needed, such as layout or page orientation. Before saving, take a moment to scroll through the preview in the print window. This helps you confirm that all your content appears correctly and is properly formatted. Since Sway is designed for scrolling rather than traditional pages, some layouts may adjust slightly when converted to PDF. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click the Save button. Choose a location on your computer where you want to store the file, then confirm the save. Your Sway will now be converted into a PDF document that you can share, print, or archive. Keep in mind that interactive elements like videos or embedded content will not function in the PDF, but they will appear as static visuals. And that's how you can easily convert a Microsoft Sway into a PDF using your browser's print feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.